Hello everyone, welcome to all in our educational YouTube channel. Myself Sachin Kale, I am a lecturer for compulsory English subject. Dear student, our 11th standards exam pattern or evaluation pattern is 80 plus 20 pattern. Means 80 marks for written exam and 20 marks for oral exam. Dear student, today we are going to learn that or discuss about the syllabus of 11th standards compulsory English subject. I know all of you curious to know what is in this textbook. Actually, this 11th standards English subject syllabus is very simple for understanding. This textbook or this syllabus is useful for getting advanced knowledge about English language. Language learning is a skill. It requires active participation of the learner. So this syllabus is focused on your language skill as well as your communication skill. Now all of you open your English subject textbook and see contents page or index page of your textbook. Dear student, 11th standard English subject syllabus is divided into 4 parts or 4 sections. For each section, mark weightage is different. In that, the first section is a prose section or lesson section. In prose section, there are 6 prose or 6 lessons are given for us for our study. This section is useful for language study and it is useful for improving our writing skill. In this section, there are 6 lessons or prose topics. In that, first one is being neighborly. Second is on to the summit we reach the top. Third is the call of soil. And fourth is pillars of democracy. Fifth is Mrs. Addis. And last one is Tiger Hill. These are the prose or lesson section topics. Now the second section or second part of this syllabus is poetry section or poem section. In this poetry section, there are 6 poems are given for our study. In that, first is cherry tree, second is the shower, third is there is another sky, fourth is upon Westminster Bridge, fifth is nose versus eyes, and last is the planners. The third section is writing skill. In this section, first is expansion of ideas. In Marathi, Kalpana Vistar. Second is block writing. Means in Marathi, block lekhan. Third is email writing. Means in Marathi, email lekhan किंवा लिखाण. Fourth is interview. Means in Marathi मुलाखत. Fifth is film review, means in Marathi चित्रपट परीक्षण किंवा समीक्षा. And last one is the art of comparing, म्हणजेच in मराठी निवेदन कला. Now the fourth or last section is drama or genre section, means in मराठी नाटक व कादंबरी विभाग. This section is useful for increase our literature knowledge. In this section we are learn first one is history of English drama, means in मराठी इंग्लिश नाटकाची पार्श्वभूमी किंवा इतिहास. Second one is the rising of moon. This is a play or drama. Third is extract of drama. In that we learn two dramas. First drama is a Midsummer Night's Dream and second one is an enemy of the people. This is a textbook syllabus of our 11th standards English subject. Grammar parts are also included in our 11th standard subject. We can learn all these in 11th standards class. Now we are stop here. In next lecture we start first lesson of our syllabus.